Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here. Just working on the Wolf King GTR. We have the Tinys LEDs, that's Tinys, and then a separate word, LEDs. Tinys LEDs. These are the 6500 Kelvin white lights. Even though they're yellow right now, they look yellow. They're white when they turn on. They require these ones require 24 volts, so I'll be running them off of two 3-cell batteries in series, which gives me a 6-cell, which is approximately 24 volts. When you multiply 6 times 4.2 volts, which is the fully charged value of one cell, then we have 6 cells. I just want to say, in reflection of, again, I'm going to emphasize that if you can watch, and those of you that keep looking will find it, Energy from the Vacuum. Watch that series, study it, and study it with the interest, this is my perception, with trying to understand how we can use energy in a more efficient way. I was just thinking, and something I think about often is just the way that my mind works. What I've noticed is that this may sound very cliche because this is in the books. It's common for people to not have any understanding of something until one day it just makes sense, right? But until that day comes, I just keep filling myself up with information. All the questions I have, I seek out the questions, and I seek out the process, the thought process that creates the experiments. So it's not looking for answers. It's creating the experiment that will provide the most questions, if I say it that way. Because the questions are really the solution. The questions are the answer, because it just puts us on a path of learning. So just as what we think of as failure and failing is actually great success, because it's in the failures that we learn. And if we just had success, if success was doing something and getting the result we wanted right away, what else would we learn? So maybe those are different measurements of what success is, right? Maybe there's different ways of perceiving it. Rick Friedrich once said, if we're learning, and I'm paraphrasing, if we're learning, we cannot fail. There's no failure when we learn. As long as we've learned. If no learning took place, then that's the only failure. And a lot of philosophers have said something similar to that. This is great thinkers throughout the history of documented thought. So I'm thinking about what I've been accumulating in terms of knowledge and wisdom. And what I'm really looking at right now is how does it all fit together to create a result that may be what I perceive as useful in the relevant present. That's something I'm thinking about. It's something to consider. Have a great day.